Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will be testing with EPS box on a 6-sided EPS packaging machine for customer from Malaysia. The dimensions of the EPS box stack used for testing are as follows. Length, 1,200 millimeters. Height, 300 millimeters. Width, 400 millimeters. In the video, we can see the EPS box to be packaged being pushed into a bag made of PE film. Then, the sealing is completed by heating with a sealing knife. The working principle of the machine is not complicated, but it can save some labor costs, improve packaging efficiency, and reduce labor intensity. For more information about the EPS packaging machine, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.